Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of the modular hangar in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and then at this event there is a battle pass that you can unlock many rewards, and one of them is this building permit of modular hangar. And to get this reward, it's very easy. First you need to reach level 20 at this battle pass, and to level it up you need to collect the festival points that you can get it from the festival catalogs. That available each week like this. Just complete all the quests, and then you can unlock these festival points, and then you can also get it from the collections rewards like this, and you can also get it from the daily quest or weekly quest. And after you reach level 20, you will unlock this building permit modular hangar automatically, and it will add it to your build mode. You can just use it from there to build your house. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.